Hello everyone, so Google has just launched a brand new image editor and generator called NanoBanana, and it's already making waves. You'll find it inside Google AI Studio, and the best part is that it's completely free. And what sets it apart is how precise it is. NanoBanana brings some powerful features. You can maintain character or product consistency across edits, blend multiple images into one scene, and apply highly targeted transformations just by describing them in natural language. It even taps into Gemini's world knowledge so it can understand real objects, diagrams, or product use cases in a way that feels completely natural. All of this makes it clean, quick, and practical, perfect for anyone working with thumbnails, ads, product edits, or creative storytelling. So how do you actually use it? So just head over to aistudio.google, and then all you have to do is click on Try NanoBanana. And once you've clicked on that, here you'll be ready to upload your images and type in your edits. You can work image to image or just describe what you want in text and it will create it for you. So let's start off with our first use case. Okay, so for this first use case, I'm going to show you what it does with changing a logo on an image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this photo of a Starbucks coffee cup, and then I'm going to also upload this new logo called Resto Cafe. And then I'm going to add a prompt here that says replace the Starbucks logo on the coffee cup with this Resto Cafe logo, and we're going to run that. Okay, and you can see how beautifully it's done that. If we zoom into the picture, you can see we've got the perfect logo inserted on the coffee cup. It's actually curved it to fit the surface and blended it with the lighting. There's no jagged edges, there's no mismatched colors. It's kept the same look and feel that we had in the previous image, and it's literally just done that perfectly within seconds. So next I wanted to test how NanoBanana does with object replacement by uploading a picture of a model wearing sunglasses and then asking to put a new pair of sunglasses on that person. So let's start by doing that. I've uploaded a picture of the model. You can see the sunglasses that he's wearing, and now we're going to upload the picture of the new sunglasses that we want to replace it with. Okay, and I've now added a prompt that says replace the sunglasses on the model with the new image attached. And you can just see how naturally it's handled this edit. The glasses are perfectly aligned to the face, they're shaped to fit. You can even see some realistic reflections. It hasn't distorted any of the person's features or changed the rest of the image. It just really shows you how well it can insert or swap objects directly into a photo without breaking the overall look. So let's look at our third use case. So to test how NanoBanana handles graphics, I've uploaded this graphic that has multiple icons, and instead of redesigning the whole image, I've asked it to replace some of those icons in the image with some of my own icons. So I'm going to add a prompt here that says replace the icons in the infographic with the icons in the attached image, and we'll run that. And you can see here that it has added some of the icons. So we've got the hand here with the notes on top. We've got the dartboard. We've got the two people with a light bulb behind them. It's not entirely clean. We can see some of the old icons there, but with more prompting, I think we can get rid of these background images. So not a bad job as well with graphic replacement. Okay, for our fourth use case, I wanted to try its ability to change text in an image. And we know that one of the trickiest edits for AI tools is text. Most of them distort the fonts or spacing. And so to test NanoBanana's abilities, I uploaded this image that says social media report, and I'm going to ask it to change the word social to latest, and let's see if it's able to maintain the same kind of consistency in that 3D font. So I've just added a prompt here that says change the word social to latest, and you can see how well it's done that. It's maintained the same font style, the color, the placement's all well preserved. It almost looks like it's part of the original design. I think it's done a great job with this. Okay, so for our next use case, I wanted to see how well it could do by swapping or replacing people in a photo. So I started off by uploading this image with a person taking a prize. And I'm going to ask it to replace the person taking the prize with the girl in the second image. So I've just added a prompt here that says replace the person taking the prize with the person in the second image, and we're going to run that. Okay, and again, you can see how amazingly it's done that. We've now got the girl in the second image taking the prize. She's in front of the microphone. It's maintained the other two people within the original image. You can just see how it's kept the background, the layout, and the design completely intact while only swapping out the new person in the image. And even the way she's standing, holding the prize, standing in front of the microphone is really realistic. And I think it's done just another great job with this. So in this video, we've seen 5 quick and practical ways that you can use NanoBanana right now, from swapping logos, replacing objects, changing icons, editing text, and even switching people in an image. And the real benefit is the speed and the accuracy that you're getting from Google's new Gemini image model. Store. And so this tool isn't just a fun experiment, it's a game changer for creators, marketeers, and anyone who works with visuals. I'd really encourage you to give this a go. It's completely free. So if you want to stay ahead with the most useful AI tools, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more useful AI tools, and hope you found this video useful, and see you in the next one.